Halo Campaign Evolved, fix PC crashing on keys and the Maw. NVIDIA 5000 series crash, update NVIDIA driver to 610.88. NVIDIA driver 610.88 was released with a specific stability fix for Halo Campaign Evolved on RTX 50 series GPUs. Restart Windows after installing it. If 610.88 still crashes, try 596 and 49. Some RTX 50 series players reported that rolling back to 596.49 allowed them to complete keys the Maw. This is a workaround reported by users, not a guaranteed fix. Perform a clean NVIDIA driver installation. Remove the existing NVIDIA driver completely. Install the chosen driver fresh. Restart Windows before launching the game. Some players reported better results after a clean driver installation. Clear the NVIDIA shader cache. After changing drivers, clear the NVIDIA shader cache. Restart the PC. Launch Halo and allow shaders to rebuild. Remove Halo from NVIDIA App Game Optimization. Open the NVIDIA app. Find Halo Campaign Evolved under its game settings. Reset the game's custom NVIDIA optimization profile if available. Some players reported this helped even when using 610.88. Verify game files. Steam, Library, Halo, Campaign Evolved, Properties. Select installed files. Verify integrity of game files. Relaunch the game after verification. Reset shader cache files. Close Halo completely. Press Wins R. Enter sent local app data, Sask Meteorite, saved. Back up the folder first. Remove shader cache files such as .ushadercache or .ushatter precache if present. Launch the game and let the shaders rebuild. A recent Reddit report found this useful for a separate startup GPU error case. Lower graphics settings temporarily. Reduce graphics quality and disable demanding options such as ray tracing. Test keys and the Maw again. This is mainly a troubleshooting step rather than a confirmed fix for the driver-specific crash. Check for the latest game patch. Keep Halo Campaign Evolved fully updated. The game's July patch specifically documented RTX 50 series crashes on keys in the Maw with NVIDIA drivers 610.47, 610.62, and 610.74. If it still crashes, don't keep repeating the same driver installation. Submit the crash information to Halo support, especially if you're already on 610.88 and the issue persists. Recent reports show that some RTX 50 series systems continued crashing even after 610.88, so there isn't a universal guaranteed fix yet.